Management of significant construction project. The 5 key parties are the client, consultants, designers, the principal contractor, other contractors, client's duties. Appoint competent consultant. Appoint competent designers. Appoint competent principal contractor. Ensure those appointed have adequate resources. Consultant's duties. Advise client on selection of designers, contractors, etc. Collect pre-construction information. Ensure cooperation between different designers. Give advice to clients and contractors. Provide client with relevant documentation. Designer's duties. Ensure clients kept informed. Structures designers to avoid risks to health and safety while being built and maintained. Ensure to avoid or minimize risks. Provide information about materials. Cooperate with other designers. Provide information to consultants. Principal contractors' duties. Provide information to client and consultant. Consider health and safety when preparing tender. Develop safety plan for construction. Coordinate activities of all contractors. Ensure all on-site company with health and safety rules. Take steps to ensure only authorized persons on site. Provide health and safety information to all necessary. Subcontractors' duties. Must cooperate with principal contractor. Provide relevant information to principal contractor. Comply with directions given by principal contractors. Should provide principal contractor with information on accidents. Other requirements, client/management. Pre-construction information. Construction phase of the project. The project file. Site precautions. Additional precautions for children. Precautions for preventing children to gain access. Fencing. Hoardings. Warning signs. Security boards. Visiting schools. Viewing panels. Precautions to be taken should access be gained by unauthorized trespassers. Covering or fencing excavations. Removing ladders. Immobilizing plants/machinery. Locking away chemicals/tools. Reducing height of materials. Isolating services. Clearing away rubbish and debris. Construction hazards. Falls from height. Fragile roofs. Falling objects, slips, trips. Excavations. Demolition. Explosives. Working in or on water. Working in tunnels. Vehicles. Traffic movements. Plant and equipment. Doors and gates. Lighting and weather stability. Fire. Material storage. Methods of demolition. By hand. By machine. Pusher arm. Demolition ball. Impact hammer. By chemical agent. Demolition by explosives. Hydraulic busters. Hot cutting. Expanding demolition agents. High pressure water jetting. Hazards of demolition. Falling debris, masonry. Premature collapse of building. Falls from height or on same level. Services, for example gas and water. Explosion and fire. Chemical contamination, for example lead dust, silica dust. Asbestos. Biological hazards. Manual handling. The use of explosives. Collision with heavy plant. Noise, for example pneumatic drills, power tools. Safe system of work, demolition. Protection of public. Restricted areas. Safe distances. Airborne contamination. Protection of workforce. Sequence of demolition. Permit systems. Existing, temporary services. Flammables. Segregation. Precautions during demolition. Identification and isolation of services. Barriers, fences, restricted access. Means of preventing falls. Means of suppressing dust. Identification/removal of hazardous substances. Competent staff, clear responsibilities. Preventing premature collapse. Sequence of demolition followed. Properly maintained equipment. Hazards of roof work. Fragile roof materials. Roof edges. Slippery sloping roof surfaces. Materials falling from roof. Contact with overhead electricity cables. Hot bitumen. Liquefied petroleum gases. Manual handling. Types of roofs. Pitched roofs. Flat roofs. Fragile roofs. Falling off. No edge protection. Slippery surfaces. Handling materials. Falling through. Fragile materials. No crawling boards. Pitched roof precautions. Carry out survey. Safe means of access. Roof edge barriers. Roof ladders/crawling boards. Facilities to raise and lower materials. Protection for persons below. Provision of harness. No work in severe weather. Competent workers. Bitumen flat roof precautions. Safe use of bitumen boilers. Safe use of burning gases. Training in manual handling. Fragile roof precautions. Crawl boards. Running line and safety harness. Barriers or covers to roof. Roof edge protection. Covers to roof lights. Fall arrest equipment. Harness and running line. Netting. Safety belt. Fall arrestor. Full body harness. Ladders hazards. Overreaching from ladder. Unsecured, unstable ladder. Ladder not extended above step-off point. Using a damaged/worn ladder. Metal ladder contact with electrical cables. Falling material being carried up ladder. Vehicle collision with base of ladder. Manual handling. Unsuitable use of ladder. Don't use makeshift ladder. Don't use a ladder which is too short. Don't stand a ladder on a drum, box or other unsteady base. Don't overload a ladder. Overreaching. Don't use ladders with cracked or broken rungs. Minimize hazards of ladder use, preventions. Ladder rested on a firm level base. Use of stabilization devices or otherwise footed. Secure ladder by correct angle 75 or 1:4 ratio. Tied off at top. Extend suitable distance above step-off point, 1 meter min. The top of the ladder against a solid surface. Use wooden ladder near overhead cables. Provide equipment raise materials. Provide holsters to carry loads. Only one person at one time on a ladder. Rungs should be clear of grease, oil or other slippery substance. Barriers of base and display warning signs. Use of ladder by only trained users. Assistance when moving, erecting ladder. Inspection and maintenance of ladders. Ladder register.
Please give comment and suggestions.
Thank you.
Subscribe our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for more updates. Thank for visit our channel. See you next class.
Thank you.